Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I'm going to share crispy chicken tenders. You must try this at home. I'm sure this will be your favorite recipe. You can eat with your favorite sauce and leftover chicken tenders. You can make sandwiches. For this recipe, I am using chicken breast 2 pound. You can cut it into thin slices. For this recipe, we need buttermilk 2 cups, egg 1, chili powder 1 teaspoon, onion powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, oregano 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, salt to your taste. Whisk all the wet ingredients together. Now you can place the chicken strips in the marinade, and you can keep this one in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight. Now for the coating, we need all-purpose flour 2 cups, chili powder 1 teaspoon, oregano half teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon, and salt to your taste. Whisk all the dry ingredients together and keep it aside. Now you can drain the chicken from the buttermilk. Now you can pour 1/4 cup of the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix it well. Place the chicken in the flour mix and you can press down the chicken with dry ingredients very well. The next step is dip this coated chicken in the water and coat again with the dry ingredients and set aside. Heat oil in a kadai and you can add this coated chicken one by one, and you can deep fry until it's golden brown on medium heat. If the flame is too high, it gets brown without getting cooked inside. So keep stirring or rotate the pieces after every few minutes. For the sauce, I am using mayonnaise 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon sriracha sauce, Dijon mustard 1 teaspoon, garlic powder half teaspoon, pepper powder half teaspoon, dried parsley half teaspoon, ketchup 1 tablespoon. Whisk all the ingredients together and keep it aside. Once it's golden and crisp, you can remove the chicken and transfer to your plate. Crispy and juicy chicken tenders are ready to eat now. You can serve it along with ketchup or your favorite sauce. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I will see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.